So this is a poinsettia, and I got this last year. My mom bought it for me, and it eventually shed all of the red leaves and turned green, and now it is going to shed all of its green leaves and turn red because it's around the time where it's going to be like all red, you know, for Christmas and stuff. So I thought that was really cool. It is not dying, it's just going to shed all these leaves and then red ones will bloom, which I think is really cool. So if you ever get a poinsettia and you can keep plants alive, don't worry when it looks like it's dying and then it'll just look like sticks, because green leaves will bloom and it looks really, really pretty, and it's very easy to care for.
It's called the diaphragm.
Oh.
Sometimes the muscle, most of the time you can control the muscle, but sometimes you can't, and it goes really fast, and it goes so fast that it makes the noise.
The hiccup noise? Oh, and you have hiccups now? That's what reminded you of it?
Uh-huh.
Hey guys, what's up? It is Sunday. I'm pretty sure this is the first time that I've been on camera. I just decided to like pick the camera up and vlog a little bit today because I haven't vlogged in a long time. We have not been doing anything today. It's just been a pretty chill Sunday. I'm about to take a bath. I really need to like do my feet, like do my little DIY pedicure. And I have had this headache all day long, like right here, and it just has made me not want to do anything. I was supposed to film today at least like 2 videos, and that's just not gonna happen because I can't get rid of this headache. So I'm gonna go take a bath and try to relax before I have to make dinner. It's about 4 o'clock right now. So yeah, I hope you guys are enjoying this random vlog. I used to vlog a lot and nobody would watch them, but I still like doing them, and I was like, you know what, like why did I stop? So here is my DIY wig. I finally made my own wig. I mentioned in one of my videos recently that I wanted to try to do it myself, and I did. And I'm not really mad at it. I did not record myself like actually sewing the bundles, but if you guys really want to see that, I can do it. And then I went ahead and did like a custom color on it as well. If you guys didn't know, I really enjoy coloring hair, and I will try to insert some photos here so you guys can see different like dye jobs that I have done in the past on like my friends and my friends' friends and stuff like that. That's just something that I really love to do, and a lot of people say, you know, I'm pretty good at it, and I think I've gotten pretty good at it too. I'm not licensed or anything like that, but I think I do a pretty good job. So I will probably be wearing this wig in my next video, so if you guys want to see what it looks like on, and once I take out these curls, you'll really get to see the full color. Make sure you're subscribed and you stay tuned and stuff. So I'm gonna go ahead and get in the bath because this headache is killing me. So yeah. Also, don't mind my bedroom. Like, there's piles and stuff. There's towels on the bed. Like, it's a hot mess. I have this chest of drawers right there that I need to DIY, so just don't pay attention. So I just got out of the bath and I feel a little bit better. I feel like the steam and the hot water kind of like calm me down, and hopefully that helps my headache go away. I did take some Tylenol before I took a bath just because I felt like it was getting a little bit unbearable. One thing about me is, like, for some reason I don't like taking medicine, even Tylenol, for, you know, a headache. I don't know why I'm like that. I just would rather like sleep it off or just wait it out. But I did take something, and I went ahead and braided my hair up, my lazy wig prep style. Usually I'll do this when I really don't feel like braiding my hair, and I just like crisscross them in the back, and they end up laying pretty flat. I wanted to update you guys on this right here, this Derma E overnight peel. I mentioned it in a haul video that I uploaded a couple days ago. This has worked pretty well. It does sting a little bit, especially if you have like open skin, like a breakout or something like that, and it's open and fresh. It will sting, but it moisturizes your skin, and I feel like it has helped like even out. I had a lot of little bumps, and I will insert a picture, so just a warning if you are not into like looking at people's skin up close, skip, because it's bad. But right now my skin looks pretty good. I still have a little bit of bumps like down here. I'm still kind of like sweating because I'm super hot, but and I have like one new breakout, which is really freaking irritating. And then of course I have like my hyperpigmentation. I probably need to shave my mustache, so let me just move y'all back. So yeah, I have been using this more than twice a week, which is what is suggested. But I was like, listen, I gotta get my skin under control. I've probably used it like 5 times in the last week, and it has really helped. I have sensitive skin. It has not like broke me out. I don't have a rash or anything like that. And I also use my holy grail, this St. Ives Gentle Smoothing Mask and Scrub. This works so good. Like instantly after I use this stuff, my skin feels a lot better. So it's probably honestly these 2 products together that has really helped my skin. So yeah, this is what my skin is looking like now. I toned it, and I used my Clinique ID Hydrating Jelly as like a moisturizer. And then tonight I'm probably gonna go in with that Derma E Peel and, you know, sleep on it. So yeah, that's what I've been using lately, and my skin does look a lot better than what it did in those pictures that you guys just saw. So I think I'm gonna go ahead and plop this wig on my head just to see how it fits and what the color looks like. So I'm gonna show you guys that real quick. And I do have quite a bit of wigs coming to me in the mail. I think I have a total of like 5 wigs on the way. So if you guys are here for the wig reviews, stay tuned. I have a brand new wig that is going to be super popular. I'm not even gonna give it away, but y'all will know once the video drops. So yeah, I'm pretty sure I have, yeah, 5 wigs coming to me, so be on the lookout for that. I'm gonna go ahead and throw this one on real quick and show you guys what it's looking like. This is what the color looks like. It came out exactly how I wanted. I wanted like the dark underneath, but I wanted that like auburn brownish red up here on the top. I did over bleach the frontal, so a little bit is still like pretty bright. But yeah, I think it turned out pretty well. The cap is kind of big on my head, but when I went to go buy my like mesh dome cap, my beauty supply store only had extra large, and I was like, listen, I have a big head, but it ain't no extra large. So I tried to like look up on YouTube, of course, how to like make a cap fit tighter, and I don't know if it really worked, but I feel like once I lay it down, it won't be so bad. It's just a little big in the back, but I don't know, I think I could work with it. But yeah, so I will lay this wig down in a future video so you guys can see like exactly what it looks like, but I feel like it's not, you know, it's not horrible, and it was my first time, so like whatever. pie. What are you doing, weirdo? There.
Look it.
I know. There you go.
Go.
Get out of there. Sit down. You like it? It's chicken pot pie casserole. Does it taste like chicken pot pie?
Chicken pot pie.
No?
No, it tastes good.
That's good. Say bye, everybody.
Bye, everybody.
Say bye, Carter.
Bye.
Alright guys, I'm gonna end the vlog here. I'm gonna go eat my dinner and then edit and upload this vlog so it can hopefully go up tonight. If you enjoyed it, make sure you give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you are not already, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.